Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy ChillGuy Coin on Phantom Wallet. So if you also want to buy ChillGuy Coin on Phantom Wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Phantom Wallet application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure to create an account for yourself. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here I'm already logged into my account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. In this interface, you'll be able to see your total balance. You'll also be able to find the option for receive, send, swap, and buy. In order to buy the ChillGuy coin, what you have to do is tap on the token icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. But make sure to have available balance for it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to search for the tokens. You can also see the trending tokens over here. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in ChillGuy. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find the tokens for ChillGuy over here. What you have to do is tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on the first one. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll also be able to see the graph. Also, you'll be able to find the option for swap, share, and more. What you have to do is tap on the swap option that you can see at the first. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to swap the tokens. You can buy the ChillGuy coin with any of the crypto that is available for you. In UP section, you'll be able to find the crypto that is selected right now. Right now, SOL is selected. Simply tap on it. Now from here, you'll be able to select the asset. Right now, I do not have any asset, but you'll be able to find the assets over here. Simply tap on the asset that you own. Now what you have to do is type in the amount that you want to pay. Simply tap right over here on your screen. Now type in the amount. You can also see the receiving amount over here. You can also see the conversion rate. You need to have the sufficient funds. If you have the sufficient funds, you'll be able to find the option for swap at the bottom. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after the transaction has been completed, you'll be able to buy the ChillGuy coin. So that is how you buy ChillGuy coin in Phantom Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.